And despite being colorblind, Stevie Ray Vaughan completed the Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. And the rib bone of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, proving that dinosaurs did inhabit Austin. And with one cannon blast, Angelina Eberly popularized the mimosa brunch. And that concludes our tour of Austin.
Hey, wait a second. It says here, specifically on your flyer, that we were going to see all the famous statues of Austin, and then we were going to be shrunk down to the size of a BB, and then we were going to do a deep exploration of Governor Perry's bowels. We didn't go in Governor Perry's bowels.
It's really not that interesting.
We paid for the whole tour.
Fine.
It's dark in here. How do we know we're there? And where's our guide?
I don't know. I'm Ann Richards.